Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is urging justices of the peace to participate in training for the child diversion program aimed at keeping youngsters out of the court system. He was speaking at a Justice Ministry function in Clarendon this week. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details.
With each story of a youngster involved in some criminal activity comes an accompanying call for action. In Clarendon, the police in particular have been increasingly concerned about the number of young people getting involved in crime, and they've been implementing programs to tackle the issue. On Thursday, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck stressed the importance of the child diversion program in helping adults steer children away from a life of crime at the earliest signs of trouble. He wants justices of the peace to participate in training for the program, which should begin soon.
Many of these young people, when they actually get involved with any sort of wrongdoing and you label them criminal, they play out the role for the rest of their lives.
So here's what the minister is suggesting.
That rather than keeping them in court and trying to divert them to a child diversion officer so that they can go through a process of treatment, training, counseling, so that they don't go through the formal process of having to be tried, convicted, and then disposed of in the courts.
He pointed to several convicted persons whom he says could have been helped, but instead went down the wrong path and have taken prison as their home.
They can't function outside. Prison is their home. We call them recidivists. And oftentimes, if you investigate their career, their crime started from the 10, 11, 12. No one assisted them. Keep going back and forth to court. And at the end of the day, they become habitual prisoners, a burden on the state for the rest of their lives.
The child diversion bill was passed in Parliament in July 2018. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.